Today I will discuss the types of unit cell and number of atoms in per unit cell. On the basis of number of particles present in a particular position in a unit cell, it is classified into following types. Unit cell, first of them is primitive type of unit cell, that is primitive unit cell. Primitive. Second is centered unit cell. Centered unit cell. Centered unit cell has been further classified into three types. First of them is body centered unit cell. Body centered. Second one is face centered unit cell. Face centered. And third one is end centered unit cell. End centered. End centered. In primitive type of unit cell, constituent particles are located only at each corner of the unit cell. For example, it is pictorially shown as, suppose a unit cell is cubic and constituent particles are located only at each corner of the constituent particles. Say the constituent particles is located at here, at this position, at this position, this position, this position, and this position. It is the primitive type of unit cell. In body type of body centered unit cell, constituent particles are present at each corner of the unit cell as well as center of the unit cell, that is body of the unit cell. For example, it is pictorially may be shown as the constituent particles are located at the corner of the unit cell as well as body of the unit cell. In face centered unit cell, constituent particles are present at each corner of the unit cell as well as center of each face of the unit cell. For example, it is a particular face of the unit cell, so at the center of the face also present are the particles. At this face center as well as at this center of the face, at this center of the face, and this center of the face, or this center of there are 6 faces in a cube, so there are 6 particles in at the center of each face of the unit cell. In end center particles, constituent particles are present at each corner of the unit cell as well as two opposite face, that is center of two opposite faces, the constituent particles are located. Constituent particles are present at all 8 corners of the unit cell as well as at the center of two opposite faces. It is the face center. It is the diagram of face end centered unit cell. In constituent particles usually actually a particular unit cell is the part of the crystal lattice. So the unit cell may be repeated in 3-dimensional, in this way and in this way. Similarly, this particle are also are the regular component of the other unit cell. So we can say that this constituent particle, this constituent particle, this constituent particle, this one, that is all constituent particles of a particular unit cell is not only the particular units component of the particular unit cell. it is also the part of the adjacent constituent particle, adjacent constituent unit cell of the crystal lattice. So we want to calculate the number of particles present in particular unit cell, because another unit cell are also each side of this unit cell. So this particle is situated, this particle contributes to this unit cell only 1/8. Only 1/8. There are 8 constituent particles, so total number of particles present in primitive unit cell will become 1/8 into 8. So total particle will become, total particles in primitive unit cell, in primitive unit cell will become 8 into 1/8, that is 1. In body center particles, the constituent particles, the contribution of constituent particles from each corner will become 8 into 1/8, that is 1. From center, the contribution will become only 1, because the particles present at the center of the particles contributes completely to that unit cell. So total contribution will become 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. In face center unit cell, the constituent particles are located at corner. So contribution from each corner, total corner, from corners will become 8 into 1/8. Contribution from a face, contribution from a face बराबर 1/2. Since there are 6 faces, 2, so total contribution from all faces, total contribution from all faces will become 6 into 1/2 is equal to 3. So total contribution बराबर कितना हो, total contribution will become equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4. In end centered, the constituent particles from center 8 into 1/8. From two opposite faces, opposite faces is equal to 2 into 1/2, that is 1. Total contribution, that is total number of particles in end centered unit cell will become 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the number of atoms present in per unit cell of the crystal lattice. In primitive, total number of particles is equal to 1. In body center, total number of particles will become 2. In face center, total number of particles will become 4. In end center, total number of particles will become 2. Thank you. In next class, we will discuss the types of the, on the basis of edge length and interface cell angle, the unit cell may be further classified into different types. That is, we will discuss the Bravais lattice and close packing. Thank you.